It is powered by an 7-gallon pressure tank and a 20 HP oil-less motor that operates at 110 V, delivering 4.9 CFM at 115 psi and 3,400 RPM. The 20 HP pressure tank offers adjustable air pressure ranging from 0 to 116 psi, and it can fill the empty tank to maximum pressure in just 80 seconds. Only 60 decibels, the air compressor ideal for working in residential or commercial areas. Our quiet air compressor uses an induction motor with a low speed of only 3,400 RPM. The oil-free design reduces operating costs by eliminating the need to purchase compressor oil and replace oil filters periodically.